Righto, so the cams that we put in Jess's car when we did all the stuff to it, put the battery in the boot, throttle body relocation, put the big intercooler on it. What else did we do? Oh yeah, well I pulled the whole motor out and we pulled the head off, decarboned it, resealed the whole thing up. And now the cams are making noises, so I've got to change the cams over. So I'm gonna run through how to do it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is pull the plugs out so that the motor doesn't try and turn over depending on what compression stroke it's on. So that way when I put my little piece of wood in here, that the motor's not going to try and turn over and put our timing out of place. Alright. Righto, so we've got the cams facing straight up, as you can see. The cams are straight up, so what we're going to do is, mark everything. And then we are going to whack these cams out. And we've just got a set of BA ones, but whatever, they're not going to make that hideous ticking noise anymore, so righto, let's do it. We just marked the cams, as you can see, marked both VCTs in line with the chain. So now I'm going to show you a special little piece of wood. Now this piece of wood I made quite some years ago now, and it's basically, it's just a piece of wood that I made. Now here it is. Yeah, laugh at it all you want, whatever. Nah, it's bit of hardwood. It's got a big screw in it so you can pull it out when you need to, but one side of it is angled, as you can see. So that was the straight side, this is the angled side. So this wedges the chain in against the side of the head, so it can't, so you're basically, the crank timing can't go out. So if you line the cam timing back up on the top, then you're going to be right. So, and it just, I know this feels really wrong, but you drop it down inside the front of the motor, and then you wedge it in there. Done. So now what we can do is undo these two. We can pop the chain off, then we can pull our cams out, work out exactly what's wrong, which of the rollers is either dead or dying, and we've been prepping up a couple of cams in the background, just making sure there's no surface rust or any lobes or anything, just making sure they're nice and smooth, and then we will chuck them in and fire up, see what she sounds like.
I'm the layman, so.
Alright, so just so you can see exactly where the piece of wood goes, all it does is it's wedging the timing chain tensioner against that big lobe of alloy on the front of the head there, and that's all it does. And when you wedge it in there, you can actually feel the tension come off the chain. So there we go. Now we can undo everything and pull these cams out. Now all we do is get our piece of wood out of there. Yeah, tell me what you think about my little fucking device.
Oh, you lad plan on proposing anyone anytime soon?
Fuck no. Is that what they're talking about?
Nah, I got a nice ring for sale.
There we go, guys. Look at that. Our little piece of timing chain holding wood. It's done the job again. Righto. So now we can. What we'll do is give these a crank up. Make sure they're tight. Make sure the chain doesn't do anything crazy.
Video.
Yeah. Starts moving. Oh shit. Like a little fucking a little Adam that did something wrong.
Oh, well, where does he think he gets it from?
Look at that, we're tight. Righto, so let's turn it over a little bit. Ready to catch the oil?
Ready to catch the timing chain? It sounds fucked.
Yeah, she's definitely fucked, mate. Didn't even try and fire up. Did you even hear the compression? There wasn't any. Smell that fuel butter. Oh yeah. Righto, let's get some plugs happening. They look mint, eh? I've got a burn mark. That's called Jamie tune. The burn mark is halfway up the
Is that good?
prong thingy. That's the end of that one. Well, that was a crazy turn of events. Our thingo just broke. So anyway, got the tapper cover back on. Got the plugs back in. Gonna chuck the coils in, and then we'll start it, and we'll see how she sounds, eh? All right, guys, we're gonna got the coils back in now. We're gonna start her up and see what it sounds like. Hey Charlotte, what do you think about the car running real nice and smooth? Adam, does it sound good? Righto, there we go guys. We have replaced the cams and the motor is running fine. The lifters unbled themselves. The tupper cover. Yeah.
Can I see?
Yeah. Hey. So Yeah, we just got to put the coil cover back on and we are good to go for all 4 day tomorrow. Oh yeah!